Direct replacement. This trailer hitch plug matches the fit and function of the factory part on specified years, makes and models. Ideal solution. This plug is a reliable replacement for an original part that is missing or has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly. Don't force the installation. Product looks and feels like the OEM part. Take your time installing it. Make sure all connector tabs are correctly aligned with your truck's metal connector housing and gently start to rock to help with alignment and gently twist it. Do not force it. Once it is all correctly aligned, it will easily start to twist and snap into place with little effort.